Hey YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back with you guys with this really quick tutorial again. I know we are in the middle of our rice water challenge, so I want to stress the importance of doing some type of protective style to help retain the length that we're gaining while we're doing this rice water. So I actually just took down my protective style that I had in. I'll insert the clip of what it looked like from Instagram that you guys highly requested this video. So let's just get right into it. I want to first note that I'm going to be using this edge tamer and wax stick that I received by MC7 collection. And of course at first I did a bun video, or I took some pictures of a bun that I did using these products, but I felt like I wanted to show you guys how to use them in a different way, and I think this would be kind of perfect to do to show you while I do this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. So I first start by brushing all of my hair to one side, which is already done. I just want to show you the back, right? I'm not going to pin anything just yet, but I am going to use a little bit of the wax stick. Now the wax stick is interesting here. It says that you can apply it directly to your hair or a small amount from root through tip. But since I'm actually not going to apply bobby pins to the swoop side, I'm going to just use this wax stick here to try and smooth and lay my hair down for this style. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a push-up stick. I'll get a little bit closer. It's not really sticky, but it does have some, it's wax, so it feels a little bit waxy. All right. Perfect. So I'm going to use some bobby pins and clips to do this style. So I'm going to turn around from the back so you guys can see exactly how and what I'm doing, okay? I'm first going to section off about a row in the back here. Just guesstimate. Perfect. Right? I'm going to pin this other section up. So hold this here, bring it all the way to the side, and then 2-strand twists. Grab this other section. Now I wanted to show you that this section on this side, I'm going to leave this out, but I'm going to still try and grab as much as possible and 2-strand twists. Okay, now this front section here, I'm going to lightly 2-strand twist this as well. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm also going to 2-strand twist. All right, so I'm probably going to create this maybe like 3 sections here. Let's do one big one here and 2 smaller ones. I just kind of guesstimate. I mean, I don't know exactly how many, but it just feels right. And you can make your sections according to the length of your hair. So if you need more sections in the back, then do more. If your hair is really long, you can probably do less if you like. But I try to do at least 3 on the side and then 1 up top and then 3 up front for sure. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now you're crazy. I'm just kidding. So go ahead and clip up these sections up front so you can work with the back. I'm just grabbing my bobby pin. Start with 1, and what you do is you're going to pin towards the center here. So I'm going to just loop this around and loop this one. Perfect. Perfect. third one here, I'm also going to just kind of do like a little circle. Let's go ahead and focus on this one. I'm going to just pin this one back and kind of like over.
Perfect.
Now the front, I like to just lightly 2-strand twist these 3. So it kind of gives you like a little swoop. And then pin that back, like kind of right in the middle here.
Perfect.
And this one here, you're kind of just gonna feel where it might look cute or might look best. I'm actually gonna just move to the mirror to look, and then I'll pin it for you guys. I think it'll be cute right here. And just tuck it down. All right. So now I'll just fluff it to kind of make it cute according to how you like it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get that edge tamer. And as you can see, I've been digging all in it. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my edges with this. Let's see here. It's pretty thick and it holds really well for my hair, which I'm really glad about, because sometimes I do want to lay my edges down. Sometimes I don't, as y'all seen. It just depends on my mood. Just take that and brush that back.
Perfect.
Okay. I guess you could also use some up front. Maybe I'll throw up some up front for you guys as well. Okay, so I'm not gonna put any edge tamer all around the side because I actually like the texture on this side. This is the only side that I kind of want smooth. And as you can see, it kind of adds a bit of shine to your hair. I don't know how that plays out on camera, but it's very shiny. It's really pretty. You can lay it down with a scarf. I really like those products together to hold my hair down. Let's see how it lasts. With this particular style, I feel like with bun styles, it typically works for my hair. So I enjoy trying this out with this style. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360. And this side here. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this really easy tutorial. Please feel free to let me know what you guys think about it, or if you guys try it, please let me know on social media. Tag me on Instagram. You know I love to repost and share all of your videos or all of your posts that you guys send to me. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video down below. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.